Hey everybody, check out this wrist pad to rest your wrist on whenever you're typing. This is from GEVO, stands for Grow Energy Value Optimized. GEVO wrist pad for when you're typing. So if you're wanting to rest your wrists on there, you want to demonstrate. So it's got a gel. You feel it's super comfortable. It's a gel. Some sort of gel in here, and it's really comfortable. So when you're typing for a long time and you don't have to, it'll keep your wrists, your hands even with the slope of the keyboard instead of having an angle and putting a little extra stress on your wrist right here. So with the wrist pad, this is going to help you avoid carpal tunnel syndrome, hopefully, and make things a little more comfortable for you. So if you're looking for something like this, you might want to check it out.